The kit contains instruction manual, sampling swab, assay diluent and test card. Use the sampling swab to collect secretions from the dog's eyes and nose. Immediately insert the swab into the assay diluent tube. Agitate the swab thoroughly until the sample is fully dissolved in the diluent. Take out the test card and dropper. Using the provided dropper to aspirate the diluted sample. Add 3 drops to the S-hole. Read results after 5 to 10 minutes. Results judgment.